first color that I'm going to use is Sandstone. I'm going to apply this one right here in the crease area, and then I'm just going to pack it on. If you want to see every single shade on my eyes, I do have the eye swatch video on it, so I will have that linked right up there in the little eye button. You can check that video out. You can see every single shade on my eyes blended out and packed on. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this even warmer brown. It's like very yellowy, kind of like a mustardy brown. It looks so nice, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this with a small little blending brush and start applying this right above the dark brown that I just used. And also, just so you know, in case I didn't say that earlier, I did not set my concealer. I'm just gonna start using this shade to blend the eyeshadow and go up towards my brow bone. Okay, and I'm gonna take the other shade again using the same brush I used earlier and just pack that on one more time. I'm gonna start blending that into the light shade. Just gonna go up a little bit to start blending it out right here so there's no line. The shades that I've been really wanting to use for an eye look is this one right here in the corner. It's actually upside down, just so you know. And it is like gold and green, and I think that will go really good with the look that I have. What I'm gonna do is use the Huda Beauty concealer. So this one's in the color 06G. And now that I'm done with that part, I'm going to remove the extra concealer that I may have, or the excess concealer that I may have. And then using this same brush, I'm gonna go into the eyeshadow, which is Lime Chrome, and apply that all over the concealer. This is such a beautiful gold. For sure, I don't have anything like this in my collection, and it just looks so nice. It's like gold green. Now I'm going to use my black eyeliner, which is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and apply it, creating a very thick wing. I'm so happy with that gold eyelid shade. It just looks so good, especially with the black like right on top of it. It looks so nice. So now I'm gonna use the same yellowy brown shade, which is the one that I used to blend out the top, the warm one, and I'm gonna apply that one on the lower lash line. And I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I don't think I want to darken up the lower lash line today. And then on the waterline, I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 waterline pencil. I have some new eyelashes that I want to try out today. These are the House of Lashes in the style Allura Light. So I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and on the top ones, I'm going to apply the Covergirl Peacock Flare Mascara, and then I'm going to apply my falsies, which those are the House of Lashes Allura Light. Then on the bottom, I'm going to apply the Perversion Mascara by Urban Decay. This one just gives me a lot of volume, and it really makes the lower lashes show up. I don't need them on top because I already have the falsies on, but the bottom ones do need a little bit more volume. So now I'm going to move on to the rest of my face, and for contouring today, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow palette and apply this with my Delium Tools 966 Dual Fiber Brush. I've contoured my nose in a while, so I'm going to do that today. Full face of makeup today. And then for blush, I'm going to use one of these from the Tarte Holiday Collection blush palette. And I'm going to use the color Passport, and that one's a very neutral tone, very light blush. Still gives me color, but it's not like really pink or really red or really purple, just right in between. I was actually going to apply the bronzer first, but I guess I got confused with with the contour. So now I'm going to apply the bronzer, and I'm going to use this palette right here. This is the NARS palette, and this is the bronzer Laguna. It actually doesn't look bad applying this after my blush. Usually I do the bronzer, the contour, bronzer, then the blush. And today, well, like I said, I forgot, so... But it doesn't look bad after the blush. I feel like it looks pretty good. And the highlight that I'm going to use today is Oh Darling by MAC. It's one of the new ones from the Shiny Pretty Things collection. And I'm going to apply this with the JH09 brush. This is a very pretty gold highlighter. And I'm also going to apply this on my brow bone and my inner corner because I don't have anything there yet. I'm going to apply this on my forehead too. I'll use a smaller brush for my nose. I'm just going to use a smaller brush for my nose. And like I said, I'm going to apply this up here on my brow bone. Such a beautiful highlight. super intense. Very wet looking too. It's just everything, right? Like all of the above. I'm gonna use a different brush for my inner corner because this one grabs on color really good. This one's the JH42 and it's like a flat, tiny little brush, and it works so good on the inner corner. And I want to make sure that that looks really bright in there, so it can be really glowy. And then for the lips, I think I want to use this one today, so I'm gonna put it on and see how it looks because my eyeshadow is kind of like a little green, but I still think it'll look good. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte in the color Cinnamon Bear, and like I said, I'm gonna see how it looks first, and if I don't like it, then I'll switch it, but I really wanted to wear red lipstick today with like gold on my eyes. So we'll see how it looks. Okay guys, so this is the complete look. I hope you guys like this tutorial using the new Natasha Denona Gold palette. I was really happy with the way that that green golden eyeshadow looks on my eyelid. Like it just looks so good. Plus with the red lipstick, I am very happy with the way that the entire look looks together. If you want to see the way that I applied the foundation, and if you want to know like about the foundation and concealer, I do have that video already up on my channel. Like I said, right now I'm doing the first impression and then I'm gonna check in later on tonight. So if you're interested in that one, that video is already up. It will be linked in the little I button up there. But as for this one, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.